What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Bissell 3-in-1 stick vacuum. Now, you can see, well, it did get used since Mondays and Thursdays, you can see, because you can see how much it's better this machine exactly, because, well, I mean, look at this thing. I mean, you can see this thing's been used almost quite a bit, because you see how much it's better this thing exactly. I don't like how this thing keeps popping off, because every time it lands, if the cord's loose, I mean, sometimes, it's like let me show you the demonstration. I mean, every time I use this machine exactly, you see how this thing flops forward a little bit, because, I mean, this thing you can take off, you can see, because you see how much this thing exactly, I try to make sure everything comes on, you can see, because you see how much it's expected on this machine exactly, which just definitely looks, pretty much what he expected this machine exactly, which just definitely looks, well, I mean, normally sometimes this piece doesn't come off like that, but I think it's just doing that because, well, I mean, you really haven't expected to see it. And also, this piece can come off as well. You can see that right there. You can see it. That really looks very nice in my opinion. So it will get used again. It's going to be used on Tuesday because unfortunately it was supposed to get used on Monday, but since most of the time if someone's in there, and then this one you can see on expected this thing exactly you see. I mean, this is a model 2030. This is at least in 2020, which it definitely means something a little bit because you see how much expected this machine is which it's not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much expected this machine is being used almost like quite a bit of times because you see how much expected this thing is every time. It will be used again next weekend. I promise that both will get used again, but sometimes it doesn't get used on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. You tell. No, if it was Mondays and Fridays, you see that, but then I don't expected this thing. Which I mean, expecting how much expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. So this thing will get used again next weekend. So it's a very nice looking machine in my opinion. This thing will get used again.